Hello everybody, my name is Onkabetsa Abdul Rashid Kulube and I'm a digital creator and a collage animator and a graphic designer on the Egg Digital Creation.
Wait. And he does other stuff too.
And today I'm going to show you how to make a video using pictures and raw footage. Let's get into it. Firstly, let's find a song to make a video for. Second, storyboard. Structure your video. Think about what you want to create. Write down all the details and sketch the scenes. Third, equipment. Use what you have. And don't be afraid of not getting it done. I have a ring light, DSLR camera, the white sheet, and my laptop. Now let's record and shoot this footage, putting in work. I have no assistants, no friends, I'm just a lone wolf, doing my thing. Trust the process, as you should, because people who create knows how hard it is to create. And be careful of burnouts. Thanks for watching this video. The official music video that we were making is on the link in the description. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and like and leave a comment so I would know what to improve.